Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you how to add link on your Facebook bio. First open the Facebook app and go on your profile. Now click on edit. Now scroll up and click on edit your about info. Now click the first option add social link and click on platform. Now you can add any link on your social platform. I just click on Instagram and now click on username. You can change the username of your own. Now click on add website. Now type here your website address. In this way you can add your link in your social platform. So thanks for watching my video.